This is very important point. How to take figures from other research papers and use it in your review paper. I will show you here that this is my paper, and you can see that I took all figures from people work. You see here all these figures. You see, and I sent to my colleague and he said that please update this figure with high quality. You see the quality was low here. This is what I'm going to show in this video, that how to take figures from other people. Today I received my students review, and the figures were in very bad conditions. So you see here nothing you can see here. So this is how I'm going to show you now. So for example, I want to take this figure from PDF. So a PDF, it look like this. You see here, when I click, it select. Okay, then click here and copy image. Okay, for information I brought it here, and I just want to keep the above two, so I will crop here and I will keep the above two. Okay, if you have some place and you cannot remove that, so there is not big issue. You just take this box here and take this box and draw it here and make it white, and white. So that will not come in the. You see here, that will not come. And this is now, for example, another figure from here. I took here this. If the PDF is not working, so then what you have to do? You have to just copy this title and put it in Google here, and click on image here. When you click on image, so the figure of that paper will come automatically here. You see here, so you can take it from here as well. Copy image. You can also take it from here. You see similarly. So you need to compare both. Let me compare quickly both. Which one look good? Yeah, the PDF one is look better. You see here, I have to delete this, and for just simplicity, I have to bring this image also. So you copy this image and paste it here. You see here, and you have to take the text box here and write C here on this. In this C here, in this text, make it bold. Right, this is figure C. You see here. Now click Ctrl A and group it, and you just make the figure now. How easily you make the figure? I am making all my figures like this, right? Now I will show in next video that how to insert it.